This is part 3 of the AutoCAD 2017 bracket drawing. So in the previous video screencast, we took you through the steps of how to draw the top view. We're now going to draw the front view. So directly underneath it, we'll draw the front view. So stay on the object layer. That's our blue layer. You want to choose your line command. We want to draw some vertical lines down from our top view. If you don't see the green object snap settings, come down to the bottom of the screen for your object snap, this little square here. Choose the drop down arrow beside it. Make sure endpoint, midpoint, center, quadrant, and intersection are selected. You don't need the others. That'll help you draw accurate lines. Spacebar gets out of the command. Spacebar repeats the command, so that's a quick way to repeat your command. So I have 3 vertical lines drawn. I want to draw a horizontal line, so somewhere down near the bottom, just click a horizontal line. We're going to offset that line up, so choose your offset command, offset, and it says offset, specify offset distance. We want to type in 1.97. So 1.97, enter, pick the line, and we place it above it, so click somewhere above it, and click. That'll copy that line up and place it exactly 1.97 inches. We want to do that again, so offset. This time we want to type in 0.79. So 0.79, enter. Again, pick the bottom line and place it above it. So our top view is in here. You can sort of see the shape in here. We need to trim some of these lines. So a quick way to do that is select trim. If you click somewhere about here and drag over and cut through all those lines, click again, that selects them all. So it says select cutting edges. We're done selecting all those cutting edges. So now you can right click or enter. Then it says select objects to trim. So you can go around and select the objects to draw the front view. Okay, and then click escape. So you want your part to look like that. So that's the outline. We're going to draw some hidden lines now. So come up here and change layers to hidden. Select line command. And we want to draw some vertical lines down. Spacebar twice to repeat the command. Make sure they're vertical. One from each side of that small circle. Okay, and we need to trim those. So once again, select trim. Select all your lines. Right click. And then click on the portions you want to remove. Escape key. So there's the front view done. Okay. Let's go to the layer text now. Under text on the icon near the upper middle section of your screen, just hit that drop down arrow. So under text, the letter A under text, drop down arrow, choose single line text. It says at the bottom, again at the bottom of the screen, read your command line. Specify start point. So I'll click somewhere here. Again, read the command line. It says specify the text height. Right now its default value is 0.2 inches. That'll be fine. So you can just hit enter to accept it. And we don't want to tilt the text at all, so leave that angle as 0. So just hit enter again. And then you can type in. So use capitals. So type in bracket, B-R-A-C-K-E-T, enter. D-W-N, period, that's short for drawn, and then B-Y, colon, space, and then your name. enter, enter once more, and that'll get you out of the command. I'm just going to move that over a little bit. So click and highlight it, right click, move. So you want to keep everything inside your grid. So there you are, your first drawing done in AutoCAD.